Raspol Entertainment, man. I'm cooking and I have to come out to do this video. Live right now. Right now in Brooklyn, New York. Snowstorm. Right now. Real man cook. I'm inside cooking and I have to get out. I have to let you know what's going on. It's no capping, it's no joke. Shout out to my daughter Amber in Jamaica. Bless up yourself, Nick. You know the business. This is what we're going through right now. I know you all go through your little storm. It's dangerous. We face this like 75%. So pray for us. This is what we're going through. This is how we're living. It's no capping. And yes, I'm still scheduled for work. I'm scheduled for 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. tonight. The car is over there. Maybe I'll have to just call a Uber. I don't have no time for this. So this is how we're living in New York. Raspol Entertainment update. This is how we're living. There's no capping. This is how we're living.